So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB stick with Windows 11 on it that will bypass the the BIOS TMP 2.0 security check and the RAM check. So first of all, you're going to have to download the Windows Media Tool, which just Google Windows 11 and then click here, download Windows Media Tool. I've not tried this for the multiple edition ISO. I've not tried that, so feel free to try it if you want. But we're just going to use the media creation tool, and as you can see, I've downloaded it here. And we're going to run that, and we're not going to create a USB. We're going to just create it so it downloads the Windows image here. And then once it's completed and done that, we can then go to a little program called Rufus, whatever it's called. And we will use this to make the USB drive. You're probably thinking, yeah, but the creation tool makes that anyway, but the creation tool doesn't do what this does with some other cool options. I have got it installed somewhere, so I'll just look for it. It's hiding from me. It is on here. I installed it. Well, we'll install it again. Right, so we'll just line that down. So you've got the tool, you've got the Windows image, grab it and drag it in here. Ignore all that. Make sure your USB stick's in, make sure it's above 8 gig. Click start, and here you have it. Customize Windows installation, remove requirement for 4 gig, and secure boot and TMP 2.0. So you tick that. And the second one, remove requirements for online Microsoft account. That is a godsend. If you don't know your account when you're installing Windows, you can't get pretty far without it. So if you tick that, it just removes it anyway. You can also create a local account already, but I've never done that, so try that if you wish. And there's other settings. Then all you do is click OK, and it'll create your USB bootable drive, and then you're free to install Windows 11 on any old computer or old laptop that you have. And then you might feel a little bit more secure than having Windows 10 on your laptop or computer. So let me know in the comments if you have any problems, and see you later. Bye bye.